Leveling surveyors in Dankaur play a crucial role in the construction industry. They are responsible for accurately measuring and mapping the land in order to ensure that structures are built on a level surface. These surveyors use various tools and techniques to measure the elevation and slope of the land, ensuring that the foundation of any structure is stable and secure. With their expertise, they can identify any potential obstacles or challenges that may impact the construction process. By working closely with architects and engineers, leveling surveyors in Dankaur help to ensure that buildings are designed and constructed to meet safety and regulatory standards. One important aspect of leveling surveyors' work is determining the proper design of sconces. A sconce is a decorative wall-mounted light fixture that often plays a functional role in providing ambient lighting. Leveling surveyors in Dankaur work closely with lighting designers and architects to determine the optimal placement and height of sconces within a space. By considering factors such as the size of the room, the desired lighting effect, and the overall design aesthetic, these professionals can ensure that sconces are installed at the correct level to provide adequate illumination while complementing the overall design scheme. In addition to their technical expertise, leveling surveyors in Dankaur must also possess strong communication and problem-solving skills. Effective communication is essential to ensure that everyone involved understands the requirements and constraints of the project. Furthermore, leveling surveyors must be able to think critically and adapt their approach when faced with unexpected challenges or changes in the project scope. By staying up to date with the latest industry trends and technologies, these professionals can continue to deliver accurate and efficient surveying services. In Dankaur, leveling surveyors are essential to the construction sector. To make sure that constructions are built on a level surface, it is their duty to precisely measure and map the terrain. These surveyors measure the elevation and slope of the terrain using a variety of instruments and methods to make sure that the foundation of any structure is solid and sturdy. They can spot any potential difficulties or barriers that can affect the construction process using their experience. Leveling surveyors in Dankaur assist in making sure that structures are designed and built in accordance with safety and regulatory standards by collaborating closely with architects and engineers. The choice of the appropriate sconce design is a crucial component of the work done by leveling surveyors. Sconces are beautiful wall-mounted lighting fixtures that also frequently serve as ambient lighting sources. The best location and height for sconces within a space are decided upon in close consultation with lighting designers and architects. By leveling surveyors in Dankaur, these experts can make sure that sconces are positioned at the proper level to offer appropriate illumination and match the overall design scheme by taking into account elements like the size of the room, the intended lighting impact, and the overall design aesthetic.